humanity is preparing for its next great performance, a return to the moon, a stage we haven't set foot on in over half a century. The anticipation is electric and the stakes have never been higher. But before we land, there's a final, critical dress rehearsal. Artemis III, now planned for 2027. This mission is more than a test, it's a proving ground for every system, every astronaut, and every dream we have for lunar exploration. This isn't the lunar landing we once expected. Instead, it's a make-or-break test for our lunar ambitions, a chance to iron out every detail before we commit to the real thing. Here, our new technologies and bravest astronauts will be pushed to their limits. Every maneuver, every system check, every heartbeat will be scrutinized. The stakes, nothing less than the future of lunar exploration. Success means a new era. Failure could set us back for years. Imagine building the most advanced car ever, but never testing the key before the big race. That's why this test matters. It's about trust. Trust in our machines, our people, and our vision. Artemis isn't just about flags. It's about building a sustainable presence on the moon. We're laying the foundation for future generations to explore, learn, and thrive beyond Earth. The 2027 docking test will prove our spacecraft can meet, connect, and share resources flawlessly. It's a choreography in space, where precision is everything. It's the final exam before we dare to set foot on another world. Every lesson learned here will shape the missions to come. Instead of rushing, NASA is taking a deliberate, methodical step, testing in Earth's backyard, to gain the confidence for the next giant leap. This patience is what will make the difference between triumph and tragedy. The universe doesn't give second chances for carelessness. Every precaution, every simulation, every sleepless night is worth it. The success or failure of this mission will echo for decades, deciding if the 2028 lunar landing happens on schedule. The world's eyes are on us, waiting to see if we're ready. The world will be watching this final dress rehearsal, holding its breath as we take one last step before humanity's next giant leap. Space exploration is a story of adaptation, resilience, and learning from every mission. Each chapter builds on the last, pushing boundaries while keeping safety at the forefront. Artemis III was meant to return humans to the lunar surface, marking a new era of exploration. But in 2026, NASA made a pivotal decision to change course, responding to new challenges and opportunities. Now, Artemis III will focus on a critical docking and systems test in low Earth orbit, rather than a lunar landing. This shift allows NASA to refine essential skills and technologies before venturing farther. This isn't a step back, it's a smart pivot. The philosophy is simple: test like you fly, but do it safely, where help is close at hand if needed. The new landers from SpaceX and Blue Origin are revolutionary, representing the next generation of space vehicles. But they remain unproven with crew, and every system must be validated before risking lives. Testing docking in Earth orbit avoids extraordinary risk and allows manageable problems to be solved close to home. It's a calculated move that keeps the mission within reach of support teams. This mission is now the ultimate systems check, isolating the most complex part, rendezvous and docking. Mastering these maneuvers is essential for future lunar and deep space missions. Engineers will validate docking mechanisms, life support connections, and let astronauts practice maneuvers in real conditions. Every detail will be scrutinized to ensure reliability. It's a pragmatic choice, prioritizing crew safety and building confidence for future lunar missions. Each successful test brings us closer to returning to the moon, this time to stay. By streamlining the program and focusing on what matters, landers and Orion, NASA is laying a foundation of proven success. Every milestone achieved here will echo in future missions. This isn't a delay, it's a deliberate recalibration for a sustainable future on the moon. The journey continues, with each step bringing us closer to a new era of exploration and discovery. Artemis III, scheduled for 2027, will be a ballet of precision engineering and human ingenuity unfolding in the vast expanse of low Earth orbit. This mission marks a pivotal step in humanity's return to the moon, setting the stage for future lunar exploration. NASA's Orion spacecraft, launched atop the powerful SLS rocket, will carry a crew of astronauts into orbit. Their destination, a rendezvous with an uncrewed lunar lander, either SpaceX's Starship HLS or Blue Origin's Blue Moon, waiting patiently in space for their arrival. The crew will carefully pilot Orion to meet the lander, aligning two complex vehicles traveling at a breathtaking 17,000 miles per hour. This maneuver requires flawless coordination and nerves of steel. The climax of this orbital dance is the docking. Orion will connect with the lander, forming a pressurized, airtight seal that allows safe passage between the two spacecraft. Once docked, the crew will test the seal, transfer power and data, and possibly try out new spacesuits inside the lander. These checks are vital to ensure every system works as intended for future lunar landings. After several days of rigorous testing, troubleshooting and validation, the astronauts will undock from the lander and begin their journey back to Earth, re-entering the atmosphere and splashing down safely. While this mission won't see astronauts walking on the moon, it will prove that the critical link in the lunar transportation chain works seamlessly, paving the way for future landings. Their success will validate the systems, procedures and teamwork that future crews will depend on when they venture farther from Earth than ever before. This intricate orbital ballet is the essential prelude to lunar exploration, demonstrating that we can master the challenges of space rendezvous and docking. Every maneuver, every test, is a rehearsal for humanity's next giant leap, each step bringing us closer to setting foot on the moon once again. Artemis III is where we prove we're ready for the next era of exploration, and where the dream of returning to the moon becomes a reality within our grasp. At the heart of Artemis are two revolutionary landers, SpaceX's Starship HLS and Blue Origin's Blue Moon. The 2027 docking test will be the proving ground for at least one of these machines. SpaceX's Starship HLS, developed at breakneck speed, features a spacious cabin, elevator system, and a proven docking mechanism. For this test, complex in-orbit refueling isn't needed, streamlining the mission. Blue Origin's Blue Moon Mark II, developed with aerospace giants, will debut after its uncrewed Mark I endurance flies atop the New Glenn rocket. Both companies are investing billions, fueling a wave of innovation. SpaceX is ahead with flight hardware, but the race is far from over. The 2027 test will reveal which contender is ready to connect with Orion and pave the way to the moon. This competition is driving the future of lunar exploration. In space, safety is everything. Shifting Artemis III from a lunar landing to a docking test in Earth orbit puts safety first. In Earth orbit, astronauts are hours from home. In lunar orbit, they're days away. If docking fails or life support falters, the crew can quickly return to Earth. This approach lets NASA gather invaluable data without risking lives far from rescue. History, from Apollo 13 to ISS near misses, shows problems will arise. Testing new systems close to home is the smart, proven way. By honoring Apollo's methodical approach, NASA ensures future lunar crews fly with confidence. Earth orbit is our safe harbor for testing, making sure we're truly ready for the moon. Docking two spacecraft at thousands of miles per hour is one of spaceflight's most complex maneuvers. NASA mastered this during Apollo, especially with Apollo 9's Earth orbit test of the lunar module. Apollo 9 proved new hardware in the safety of Earth orbit, discovering problems where rescue was possible. Artemis III follows this blueprint, testing new landers with Orion before risking a lunar mission. Technology has evolved, but the risks remain. The Artemis III crew will validate the modern lunar lander just as Apollo 9 did. History shows this is the way to the moon. The Artemis 3 docking test is more than a mechanical handshake. It's a top-to-bottom exam of the systems that must work in harmony to keep astronauts alive. Engineers will scrutinize docking latches, seals, and umbilicals, the physical bridge between Orion and the lander. Life support and power connections will be tested, ensuring safe crew transfer. The crew may try out new spacesuits inside the lander, gathering data before lunar EVAs. Every checklist, maneuver, and communication protocol will be rehearsed. Mission Control will manage 2 complex spacecraft, refining every step. Artemis III puts hardware, software, and crew on trial, uncovering hidden flaws. Only when every piece works perfectly will we be ready for the moon. The road to Artemis III is paved with milestones. Artemis II's flawless lunar flyby in 2026 proved Orion's readiness. SpaceX's Starship and Blue Origin's New Glenn and Blue Moon are advancing, with major test flights and hardware deliveries underway. Starship's next big test and Blue Moon's uncrewed debut are set for 2027. NASA's SLS core stage and Orion capsule for Artemis III are being readied, incorporating lessons from earlier missions. Each milestone, rocket tests, hardware arrivals, crewed flybys, brings us closer to the historic 2027 rendezvous. Every step is a crucial piece of the puzzle. Artemis III's docking test is the gateway to our future on the moon. Success isn't optional, it's essential. This mission validates the entire lunar landing architecture. A proven docking unlocks Artemis IV's lunar landing and builds confidence for all future missions. It also proves the public-private partnership model works, making space exploration more sustainable. Artemis III's success will inspire a new era of exploration and collaboration. The astronauts of Artemis III will ensure the bridge to the moon is safe and secure. The future of human exploration rides on this mission, our gateway to the moon and beyond.